Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing, or in this case, opening an envelope video. Today we got something from Covert Instruments. Feel free to check out that website, covertinstruments.com. They have a large variety of items. Again, Covert Instruments. Get you out of the way. And figure out how to open this best way. I'll use some scissors. Is this safe? Right. Nice. Okay, so we are not going to need that. Let me get some notes here. There is not a manifest. And in no particular order, this is a set of Resurrector Pliers. Take a look at these. No country manufacturer marking that I can see. Basic steel. Let's get a magnet. Oh yeah. That might be a manufacturer's mark. I can't. No, it's just some machine markings. Okay. So fixed hinge. You can see the rounded tips to help with straightening out thin flat surfaces. I don't see too much light through the gap, so that's pretty good. Resurrector Pliers. Next item, no particular order. I ordered a couple more of these mag connects. They are available from the source company, GetKeySmart.com, but actually it was a better deal at the time to get these from Covert Instruments, so I got a couple more of these. Let's see, neodymium magnets, pretty powerful, hold at least 3 pounds. Let's see, and then lastly, a couple sets of tweezers. So I want to use these for other tool applications for really small objects. Let's see if I can get these out of plastic. Looks like they're just heat sealed, so we'll just snip the ends off. Out. So these would be tweezers, one of each type. So this one looks like the reverse pinning, so when you squeeze it opens. The Covert Instruments logo etched onto the handle. Reverse pinning tweezers with a holder. See how they go in there flat. Come on. Put this back in. Okay. The other one should be regular pinning tweezers. Protective tip. So you need to squeeze these to grab. And that's it. Put these back in here for now. We're going to need this plastic, it's pretty thin. Get these out of the way. Let's do one more magnet test. Steel. Of course, the mag connects will stick to a magnet, of course. So again, all of these from covertinstruments.com. Feel free to check it out. A large variety of items, not just these. And working our way back, we have the pinning tweezers, reverse pinning tweezers, two of the mag connects, and Resurrector Pliers. So again, Covert Instruments. It's been another unboxing or envelope opening video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage, milsurp, tools, and other expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and also curios for the curious. Videos are more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.